Hi everyone, welcome to Rak's Kitchen. This is Rajeshwari Vijayanand. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite childhood snack. We call it Maida biscuits. Some people call it diamond cut also. Let's see how to make it. For this I'm taking 2 cups of Maida. You can add 50-50 atta too. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of crushed black pepper. 1 teaspoon of ajwain, omam we call it in Tamil. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Required salt. 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can also add 1 tablespoon of oil or you can totally skip adding oil or ghee. I have added red chilli powder and homemade ginger garlic paste. You can even grind dry red chilies, fresh garlic flakes and some ginger pieces and make to a paste and add to the dough. So first let's mix this very well. Then we will add water and make dough. Now I have mixed really well. I'm going to add water gradually and make it to a smooth dough. We have to make a stiff dough, not a sticky one. So I have kneaded for around 6 to 7 minutes, but it's already smooth. We can give 10 minutes resting time for more pliable dough, but if you want to proceed, you can proceed. Now divide this to 4 to 5 big equal sized balls. Smooth the dough well. Generously dust the countertop. We are going to spread into a thick roti or chapati kind of thing. So make sure it is of equal thickness. So once you finish rolling, dust a little more because this will prevent sticking when you cut into pieces. So I'm going to use this spoon with the wheel cutter attachment in the bottom. You can also use a pizza cutter or a knife. This is my favorite part. My mom used to have a brass or bronze, I don't know. She used to have it in that metal. It will be very cute. So run along and cut into small stripes. Now I have cut into stripes. Now we have to cut diagonally to get diamond shape. So we are looking for this kind of pieces. So once you have cut, use a spatula like this to take out. Don't worry, it won't stick. Even if it's sticking a little bit, it will separate when you fry. So this is ready for frying. You can start with one batch and when it is getting fried, you can roll the next one and simultaneously finish all the dough. So now oil is hot, I'm adding little by little. So once you drop the pieces, just put the flame in medium and let it cook in medium flame to ensure it gets crispy as well as gets cooked properly. I don't mind the biscuits getting puffed, but if you want to prevent puffing, after you roll, before cutting into diamonds, you can use a fork to poke in various places to prevent puffing. So once the bubble reduces and the sound also reduces, you can take it out from the oil. So now it's golden in color, so I'm going to take out from oil. Drain over a kitchen towel. Cool down completely before storing in an airtight container. It stays good for a week or 10 days. So for the measurements I have given, it can give you easily 4 to 5 cups of snack. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Rak's Kitchen.